How to use Gamepad on Roblox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to use a gamepad or controller to play Roblox on different devices like PC, Xbox and mobile. If you've ever wanted to play Roblox like a console game, this tutorial is for you. Part 1. Using a gamepad on PC. Let's start with PC. First, connect your controller to your computer using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Windows and Mac will usually recognize Xbox and PlayStation controllers automatically. Next, open Roblox and start any game that supports controller input. If the game supports gamepads, your controller will start working right away. Use the left stick to move, the right stick to control the camera, A or X to jump, and start to open a menu. Not all the games support controllers, so try it with popular ones like Arsenal, Natural Disaster Survival, or Tower of Hell. Part 2. Using Gamepad on console. On Xbox, it's even easier. Just download Roblox from the Microsoft Store and launch it from your Xbox. It has full Gamepad support out of the box. Sadly, Roblox is not officially available on PlayStation yet, so this method won't work there, at least for now. Part 3. Using Gamepad on mobile. On mobile, you can also connect a Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation Gamepad, to your phone. It works best on iPhones and Android 10 or higher. But remember, only some games support Gamepad controls on mobile, so test different games to see what works. Optional. Test tip. Want to test if your controller is working? Try searching for a gamepad tester on Roblox. There's a simple game that lets you check all the buttons and sticks. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to use a gamepad on Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.